If I could have seen my life now 5 years ago, I wouldn't have believed my luck. Five years ago, my life looked very different from how it does now. I was married, I still live with my kids in a small tiny house in the middle of a hot city in the south of England, and as far as I could tell, I had no future. Hi, if you're new here, my name's Debbie. I'm a 50-something artist, rebuilding my life after divorce on the west coast of Cumbria, and I make videos about art and life. I almost didn't make this video this week. I felt that everything I do is too boring. I do the same things all the time. I don't live in an exciting location. I'm not an exhibiting artist yet, and I just plod from morning to evening. But out of habit now, I've recorded anyway. And as I was editing the footage, it occurred to me that past Debbie would have shrieked if she'd seen the life that I live now. Finally, I have the time to create art. Finally, I have the space to create art. Most days, I mostly get to do what I want, when I want, and surely that's the very definition of success. I get to move furniture and put my needs as an artist first. I get to rearrange the living space. I get to stick up plastic sheeting. I get to move chairs and move tables in and basically turn my entire living space into an office studio. And I know I'm going to get some more nasty comments telling me what a mess my flat is. I don't care. It's not a mess to me. My flat is now evidence of my priorities. And to me, it's evidence of growth, of how much I've blossomed after decades of making myself small. Allowing myself to expand into my space and giving myself permission to do that is like one huge exhale. It's more than physical, it's mental. A door has opened and I've stepped into an enclosure with grass after years of being in a cage, and for the first time in a very long time, I belong to myself. So yeah, maybe I do have an ordinary life. I plod along and I forget that there is blessings in that. Ordinary means something very different to me now. Ordinary is what old me would have considered exceptional, impossible, even just a few years ago. And maybe the ordinary days are just the stepping stones to an extraordinary life. Everyday routines that quietly build into something. And maybe your ordinary is somebody else's extraordinary too. Maybe what we need in our lives isn't more excitement, it's just a new perspective.